In this video, I will be showing you how to disable comments on YouTube videos. Let's get started. To start, I open up my web browser and click on the address bar at the top. I type in YouTube into the search bar, click on YouTube search, and then select the main YouTube link from the search results to open the homepage. Once YouTube loads, I navigate to the left side menu and click on the You tab to go directly to my channel overview page. From here, I go up to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Create button, which looks like a camera with a plus icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, I select Upload Video. This opens YouTube Studio and prompts the video upload window. I click on Select Files, which opens my computer's file explorer, and I choose the video file I want to upload. As the video begins uploading, I am taken to the video details page. I scroll down past the title and description sections, beyond the thumbnail options, and down to the audience section. Here, I select the option, No, it's not made for kids. I keep scrolling down past the age restriction and paid promotion sections, standard options, and category settings until I reach the section labeled Comments and Ratings. Under Comments, there is a drop-down menu currently set to On. I click on this drop-down menu and select Off from the list of options. This ensures that comments will be completely disabled for this video once it goes live. After adjusting the comment settings, I scroll down slightly to review everything before clicking Next at the bottom right corner of the screen. I am guided through the Video Elements tab, so I click Next again. I move through the Checks tab where YouTube verifies copyright status, and I click Next once more to reach the Visibility tab. Under the Visibility options, I choose how I want to publish my video. I select Public, so anyone can watch it, and then I click on the Publish button at the bottom right corner of the window. A confirmation window pops up letting me know the video is published, along with options to share the video link, so I simply click Close at the bottom right. Finally, I am redirected to my channel content page where my newly uploaded video is listed as public. To verify that our comment settings were saved correctly, I hover over the video and click on the comments icon. This opens the video comments page, where a clear notice confirms comments are turned off. And that is how you disable comments on YouTube videos. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.